Hey, what's up guys, GDRC. Alright, so another quick vid. Got another Quantum Flux. This is an MT, which is a monster truck. Got it in the grayish and green. Same as the XT, but just the truck version. But as far as electronics, all the same. 3S LiPo, 3300 kV. It's basically the same. It is the same setup as far as the electronics on here. Obviously the wheels are different, and the body's different. I'm sure the position of the shock stick in the car sits higher. So I'm just run through this unboxing real quick. But again, so you get the metal gear servo enclosed receiver box, the Treads high grip tires, all right, durable pillar ball suspension, oil-filled shocks, 2 or 3S ESC, I guess 4-wheel drive. Comes with 2.4 gigahertz radio. It's the MTX244 radio. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out the box so we can see what she look like. All right, go ahead, pop the lid, guys. Got your manual again. Alright. You got your radio. Same radio that comes with the button with an XT. MTX244 radio. Same setup. And then for the truck, guys. Get the body pins off so I can get to the zip ties underneath. And the shock towers on both XT and MT is adjustable, so you can raise and lower it. Alright. So go ahead and cut. The truck. Got the green rims. Now this green actually look green. Now the XT, it showed like orange rims, but it looked more pinkish to me. So this is what it is, guys. This is the MT. Like I said, the shocks seems a little stiff, but I mean we'll see how it go. But see the body, pretty good flex to it, so should be able to take some good bearing. Alright, you can see just like the XT, 3300, the 23S ESC, servo up top, same configuration, adjustable shock. And you have the CVDs up front on this one as well. Alright, that's some nice turnbuckles and stuff back here. Turnbuckle adjustables in the back. You do have the pull-up balls in the rear as well. You can see that. This is the rear right here. Got your wheelie bar. Alright, the bumper, shock towers, and all that good stuff. And beneath, same configuration, plastic chassis. Has these covers here, so you can probably take it off. The rear section off, front section, you know, that sort of thing. The rims are vented, right, and it does sit higher than the XT. It does have the centered drive shaft as well. Again, it's pretty much the same configuration. has the XT minus the height, and I'm sure maybe the body post or something, but we'll do a comparison here a little bit. But just, you know, quick unboxing of the Quantum MT Flux. All right, just want to show you guys that. And again, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.